Okay, gonna try and get Veda to jump through a hoop. Got my coat on because the midges are out. So, Veda, come here. Now watch. See if we can do it. Sit down. Sit. Okay, now first, let's introduce it. No, sit down. Sit down. It's okay. What's this? Good boy. Give him a treat. Good boy. What's that? No. Okay, now see if we can jump through the hoop. Come on. Okay, sit. No. Sit down. Sit down. You know what to do? Let's see if we can do this. Come here. Come here. Come. Come. No. Okay. Come on. Come on. No. Come here. Okay, try. Sit. Okay. Come. No, don't like that. Just try again. Veda, what's this? Good boy. Okay. Sit. Sit. Put it a little lower. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Okay, let's try this. Sit down. Sit. Okay, focus. What's that? Come on. Come on. Good boy. Running out of cheese, aren't we, Doug? Let's try a little higher. A little higher. Come on. What's that? What's that? There we go. Good boy. All right. Let's try it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woohoo! Good boy. Let's try that again. Come on. Come on. Woohoo! Good boy. Okay, let's try a real high one. What's that? Can you jump? Can you jump? Oh, don't want to jump. Okay. Let's try this with it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. Jump through. Jump through. Come on. Come on. Good boy. He learns fastest, Doug. Come on. What's that? Come on. Come on. No. No, no, this side. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, last one, Doug. All right, Veda? You ready? This hoop, by the way, is I didn't have a plastic hoop, so this thing's off of a drum, shipping drum thing. So I just thought I'd try it. Ready? Ready? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it's a big one. Come on. Come on. Come on, jump. Come on, jump. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, that's enough. Good boy. Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Can you go the other way? Can you do this way? Oh. Shh, quiet. Speak. Quiet. Speak. Quiet. Paw. Other paw. No, other paw. There, that paw. That paw too. Oh. That's my dog training.